If you have a startup or a small business, or maybe you have a very young business, you may just be in the right place. Today I'm going to have a look at Brex and I'm going to have a look at Ramp, which are two very powerful financial platforms, and I'm going to go through all of their features, their advantages, as well as their drawbacks, and see which one is the best for your specific use case. Now, of course, you have to remember that everyone's an individual, so when you are making a decision, base it on your personal preferences. Let's check them out. First up, let's go ahead and talk about Brex. Well, Brex is well known for its features and it's specifically tailored for startups. Some of the highlights include a corporate credit card, which is offered with no personal guarantee required. This means that you can build your business credit without affecting your personal credit score, so it's completely separated. Also, it integrates with an expense management tool, which allows you to track spending in real time, which means you can also categorize expenses and set budgets easily. Brex also has an impressive rewards program that can give you points on every purchase that you make. You can earn up to 7 times points on travel and 4 times more points on restaurants. Also, there are no monthly fees or foreign transaction fees, which is a super big plus for businesses operating internationally. Brex integrates seamlessly also with accounting software such as QuickBooks, Xero, which can obviously make your bookkeeping a whole lot easier. Now let's dive into Ramp's features. First of all, Ramp offers a corporate card that not only helps manage expenses, but also automatically identifies savings opportunities, and this is based on your own spending patterns. Also, similar to Brex, Ramp provides real-time expense tracking, which allows you and your team to monitor your spending as it happens. Ramp also allows you to create unlimited virtual cards for different and individual team members, which can enhance your security and your control over who is spending what and how much they are spending. With Ramp's automated receipt capture feature, you can easily upload a receipt by simply taking a photograph of it. This means no more manual entry. I think that's an awesome win. Ramp also provides deep insights into spending trends, helping your business make more informed decisions with regards to the budget. Let's discuss some of Brex's drawbacks. First of all, Brex is currently only available in the US, so you only can apply for a Brex account if you have a US-based company, which can limit your options for international businesses. Also, the credit requirements. So to qualify for that credit card, your business needs to meet certain criteria, which might exclude some early stage startups, and it could be a little bit challenging. Let's have a look at some of Ramp's drawbacks. Now, unlike Brex, Ramp does not offer what you would call a traditional rewards program. While it focuses on savings, some businesses may actually miss out on earning those points for travel or even other purchases such as Brex. Ramp is also relatively a newer software compared to Brex, which might lead some people to prefer the more established, more trusted platform, just purely due to familiarity and trust. So there you go, both Brex as well as Ramp have tailored features for individual use cases. As I did mention before, make sure that you're going through the software and using both of them just for a little while so that you can understand what is going to work for your specific needs. If this was truly helpful, drop us a like to show your support. We'll see you next time.